Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you 4 unique, easy, and inexpensive save the date ideas. And as you can see here, I'm apparently very excited about it. Now that you're engaged and starting to plan your wedding, you will want to make sure that everyone plans ahead and saves your date. The fun part of Save the Dates is that you can either coordinate with your wedding theme, or they can be something that's completely different and stands out on their own. We have selected 4 options that will go with any wedding theme, and you can find each of these editable, printable templates in our Etsy shop, Creative Union Design. First up is our Flowchart Save the Date. After you make your purchase with Creative Union Design, you can easily open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader to begin editing your file. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a free program, and I've included instructions on how to edit right on the PDF. When you are finished editing, you can simply print this on 8.5 by 11 white matte cardstock. You can then take your straight edge and X-Acto knife and begin to follow the crop marks. I recommend starting with the center cut and not fully trimming away the edges, just to keep the crop marks intact until the end. And that's it! Now you have a fun flowchart, save the date, that you can easily mail to all of your guests. Now, what if you're having a destination wedding? Well, we've got a great idea for you. Our fun luggage tag will get everyone excited for your destination wedding. Our luggage tag design comes in 3 different colors, but if you need a custom color, just let us know. You can edit the blue highlighted sections in Adobe Acrobat Reader and then print on white matte cardstock. Once you have your luggage tag Save the Dates printed, you can easily trim them using a straight edge, X-Acto knife, and a hole punch. You can even embellish these a little more by adding a ribbon to help them seem more like a real luggage tag. Your guests will be sure to pack their bags immediately after receiving this fun save the date. Or maybe you are looking for something that is as fun-loving as you guys are. Well, we've got you covered. Our bookmark size photo strip Save the Date is a creative way to share your excitement about your upcoming wedding date. Easily add 4 square photos on the front and edit the back with your details. You can easily print these double-sided on white matte cardstock and use the easy-to-follow crop marks to trim these to their bookmark size. These trim down to 2 inches by 7 inches and easily fit into an A7 size envelope. These are a fun and functional save the date that your guests will love. Now, maybe you're looking for an idea that's going to make your guests very happy. That's right! Wine label save the dates! Our save the date wine labels could not be any easier. Simply edit in Adobe Acrobat Reader, then print onto the Avery 22827 labels. Then simply adhere to the wine bottle of your choice. These labels will fit over most wine labels, or you can easily remove the original label by using warm water and baking soda. Your guests will absolutely love these save the dates because they can actually get to relax and enjoy it. Now, where were we? Oh, that's right. We were celebrating because these are all easy and inexpensive ways for you to create your own save the dates. Click on the link below to grab your easy editable template. And as always, thank you for watching.